Hey guys, sorry I haven't been talking, but when I trade I try and I have to concentrate pretty hard. Um, Pretty much, um, all I'm doing is using Bollinger Bands and moving average lines as my support and resistance, if you haven't worked that out. And just going in for minute trades, and that's how I'm trading these days now. Um, I also use an indicator that you have to pay for. If you're interested in knowing about that, you can give me a call. It's not my indicator. I'll just send you to the person. I won't advertise it on here. I don't know if there's any copyright laws or anything to go along with that. So I think a lot of you know what I'm talking about anyway. I'm going to leave it there, as it's pretty late and I'm needing to go to bed. So, but I don't know exactly what we did then. It was at least a few $100 in a couple of minutes, so we might just grab that one. No, we missed it. That would have been a good one to pull back on. If it pops again, I'll grab it. If it goes up and touches the outside Bollinger Band, I'll take it. The greens are Bollinger Bands and the whites are Bollinger Bands, and the others are moving average lines. If you're interested in the settings, I'll do another video next time on how to set it up. This is something I saw on the net. It's not mine, but it works very well. So anyway, I'm going to call it quits. I know I haven't done a YouTube video for a while, but I have been working pretty hard doing videos inside the group, and I just don't feel that it's appropriate that I be putting those sort of videos on my YouTube channel, that's all. So I just thought I'd do this just for the sake that I haven't done a video in such a long time. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and if you want to see more of my trading, just let me know.